What is that? Hey, Journey, no. That'll get your fingers. Get your fingers away from there. Because he'll get them. He's an animal. He doesn't know any better. Here, give him another apple. Here, Journey, give the white goat an apple. He's hurt. No, give the white goat the apple, Jax. Right here. Give it to him. Yeah, he got it, didn't he? Hey, don't put your hands up like that. Hey, Jackson, put your fingers at the end of the apple. No, don't throw it, honey. Just hand it to him. There you go, just like that. Good job. You did it.